I'm working on problem number 8. Problem number 8 on my 8-4 extra practice. As I do problem number 8, I start by identifying and locating this angle. It's the only angle that's given to me. Now, from the perspective of this angle, on the opposite side of the triangle is this 12. So this is what I'm going to label as my opposite. This x is right next to this 69, so it'd be tempting to call it the adjacent, but because it's also opposite the right angle, it has to go with the name hypotenuse. So we have the opposite and the hypotenuse. Now the only trig function that uses the opposite and the hypotenuse is the sine function. I'm going to do the sine of that angle equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. Now when the x, the variable, is in the denominator, I showed you a shortcut where you could take this denominator and it can trade places with the numerator on the other side of the equation. So that means I'm going to put in here x on this side. The 12 is not going to move. And in the denominator, I now have the sine of 69 degrees. So this is what I'm going to plug into my calculator. So I'm going to do 12 divided by the sine of 69 degrees. 12.85, so that'd be 12.9. So my x equals 12.9, and that is my answer to this question. If you have any questions for me, you know that you can always ask.